is known for its scorching deserts and futuristic cities. But did you know it also creates rain? With one of the hottest and driest climates in the world, the UAE has turned to cloud seeding, an advanced weather manipulation technique. But how does it work, and does it really solve water scarcity? Let's dive into the science and methods behind the UAE's ambitious rainmaking project. What is cloud seeding? In simple terms, it's a weather modification technique that improves the amount of rainfall. Scientists inject clouds with tiny particles, usually salts like potassium chloride or silver iodide, that attract water vapor, forming heavier droplets that fall as rain. In the case of the UAE, they primarily use hygroscopic seeding, where salt flares are fired into clouds to accelerate condensation. Why does the UAE need cloud seeding? The UAE gets less than 100 millimeters of rain per year, yet its water demand is skyrocketing due to the growing population and increasing temperatures. Most of the drinking water comes from energy-intensive and operationally expensive desalination plants. This led the UAE to find alternative methods such as cloud seeding. Starting in the late 1990s, the UAE became the first Middle Eastern country on the Arabian Peninsula to carry out cloud seeding missions. But why choose cloud seeding? Because it is a lot cheaper, energy efficient, and a more sustainable way to boost freshwater supplies. The National Center of Meteorology runs over 250 seeding missions a year, mostly in the northern regions, boosting rainfall by over 15 to 35% in some areas. How does the UAE perform cloud seeding? The UAE has a specialized arsenal consisting of 12 trained pilots, specialized aircraft, and a network of weather radars and automated stations. Their specialized aircrafts, Beechcraft King Air C-90, and the newly bought WX-80 turboprops, are equipped with salt flares. Their on-ground scientific team monitors the weather radars in search of newly forming cumulonimbus clouds. Once spotted, they inform the pilots, who then approach these clouds and start shooting the salt flares into it. The NCM has also started using drones to generate electrostatic current in clouds that cause rainfall. How does shooting salt flares help? Shooting salt flares into the cloud releases small crystals of salt containing roughly 70% potassium chloride, 13% sodium chloride, 5% magnesium, and other materials which act as a binding agent, allowing multiple water molecules to attach to it, forming droplets. The heavier the droplet, the more prone it is to falling down as rain. Does it really work? Under ideal conditions, it is said that cloud seeding can boost rainfall by 35%. However, it is not foolproof. It depends on existing moisture in the atmosphere, something which the UAE doesn't have much of. Due to this, even after repeated cloud seeding missions over the northern regions of the UAE, it might not rain. But there are positive developments too. In 2025 alone, the NCM conducted 185 cloud seeding operations with 39 missions in July alone. Due to this, in recent weeks moderate to heavy rainfall swept across parts of the Northern Emirates, accompanied by dust storms, haze, and fog, which also led to a decrease in temperature across Dubai and Abu Dhabi. For ongoing coverage, exclusive news and breaking updates, connect with us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.